Number 1, never ask for things directly. You don't need to ask for them directly. If people know that you need it, then they will give it to you. Number 2, always use what you have as leverage. For example, my husband is so sick, I just don't know what to do. He is so sick, I just haven't had time to go and get fruit and flowers and things for him. Oh, if you would give me those flowers, that would be wonderful. Thank you. Using what you have as leverage. Number 3, never try to get something more extravagant than you can carry. For example, no one will give you a car if you ask for it, but they might give you a car freshener. Number 1, to how to raise a pug. You must have a pug. They're so adorable and so cute. Oh, number 2, you must not allow little children to bother the pugs. They are too delicate creatures to allow little grimy hands to be around them and touch them. And who knows what disease they could get from them. Get away, child! No, don't touch my pug! Don't touch my pug! Number 3, pugs should only be given to your favorite person. They are very special and will only truly be appreciated by the best people in the world. If you are good, you shall have a pug. Number 4, this is the most important one. Groom pugs by petting them and comforting them every day. And then sit in the garden and let them play around your feet. You don't even have to move, they just play around. There he goes, just playing in the garden.